Childcare owners, how is everyone doing out there that is a childcare owner? To those of you guys who do not know me, my name is Donna and I am a childcare CFO. What do? I assist childcare owners in ensuring that you guys are not paying more than your fair share in taxes via loopholes and guidelines, and I also assist the childcare owner with increasing their revenues to a 6-figure, 7-figure scale with strategic financial management. So let's go ahead and dive in about today's video. We're going to talk about the accounting challenges that I see childcare owners making, and it's causing them great pain, great heartburn. Another challenge that I see childcare owners having is they are misinterpreting the roles of financial professionals, okay? What do I mean by misinterpreting roles of financial professionals? What I mean is many childcare owners think that their tax preparers are their accountants. It's true. It's true. For example, let's just say I speak with a childcare owner and they inform me I have a tax preparer who's preparing my taxes. I owe taxes. I feel like maybe, some deductions have been missed, maybe some credits were not taken advantage of. I would like to get a diagnostic of my tax return, so on and so forth, okay? And so I may ask that particular childcare owner, I may ask, okay, who's your tax professional or who's prepared your tax returns or something like that? And the childcare owner may say my accountant. And what the childcare owner is not understanding is that a tax preparer and an accountant have two totally different roles, okay? Majority of the time, your tax preparer is just there to prepare your taxes. They're not there to do any tax planning for you. They're really not there to inform you of any deductions or any credits that could possibly take place while they're preparing that tax return. That's up to your accountant to do. If you have an accountant on board with your particular childcare, your accountant is to lead and guide you monthly. That's why you have monthly accounting. Your accountant is to lead and guide you monthly to let you know on a month-to-month basis what deductions that you could possibly take advantage of at the end of the year, what credits you could possibly take advantage of, what type of depreciation or amortization you may have occurred throughout the year, okay? Typically, a tax preparer, just a generic tax preparer, is not going to know that. That tax preparer is only going to prepare taxes based on the information that you provide them. Okay? Most of the time, your tax preparer is not your accountant, okay? An accountant is someone who does your monthly bookkeeping for you, who reconciles your accounts for you, and they do all of this on a month-to-month basis. Your accountant is someone that you're talking to throughout the year. Every single month, you're going over your financials, such as your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your statement of cash flows. You are receiving some type of advising, consulting from your accountant. That's your accountant's role, okay? A tax preparer's role is just to prepare their taxes, So a lot of times I get that from the childcare owner, well, my tax preparer didn't tell me that. Well, most of the time, your tax preparer, honestly, they don't know. They don't know. So you definitely need to make sure that you understand the different roles of the financial professionals that you bring on board to serve your childcare, to make sure that you understand their scope of work and what they're doing for you and your childcare. If you have a tax preparer, more than likely they're just preparing your taxes. If you have an accountant, they are probably more than able to do more than just tax preparation for you. Like I said previously, they're doing your monthly bookkeeping, they're doing your reconciliation, they're generating financial statements for you, they're advising, they're consulting with you, they're doing tax plans, they're doing budgets, they're doing all of this extra stuff for you, as opposed to the scope of a work of a tax preparer is just prepare your taxes. So I really hope that helps some childcare owners out. That way, you won't get upset when your tax preparer says, well, I didn't know about this deduction or I didn't know about this credit, because they're only preparing your taxes. They're only going to prepare your taxes based off of the information that you provide to them. So it's very important that you do have monthly bookkeeping in place in the case that you have a tax professional that you just really want to stick with and you love working with, making sure that you provide them the accurate, correct information that they need to assist you in making sure that you're not paying more than your fair share in taxes. So I hope I helped some childcare owners out with that, because that is one challenge that I see a lot of childcare owners facing. So if you are a childcare owner and you've listened to this video, you've taken notes, you need an assistance from a financial professional in the childcare industry, there will be a link below this video. Click the link, book a free 15-minute strategy session. Myself or one of my staff will reach out to you, and we'll definitely assist you and lead you and guide you into what it is that you need to do to make sure that your childcare operation is operating from a financial standpoint, a very solid financial standpoint. So I thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.